So I'm going to show you how to play Project 64 on online multiplayer. I know there's not a lot of instructions, especially for people who don't know what they're doing. So I decided to make this once I figured it out. So here's a link. I'll share the link in the description to this file, this specific Project 64 version. And once you download this, it's a zip file, obviously. Okay, so once you open that up, you can just drag and drop this or whatever. You have your file now, and you can put it wherever you want. In my case, I already have it installed, and so pop-ups, and so you can see it here in my downloads. This is totally not catgirl porn, and here's the actual file. And you're like, oh, okay, so there's a catgirl that you weren't supposed to see that, or that, but it's down here. This is I saved a shortcut for it. I would recommend doing that just to make it more like an actual program. And this file comes with Super Smash Bros. Because it is objectively the best N64 game ever. And so the way you want to set it up is you'll have to go to controllers. It does recognize USB controllers, but you will need to make sure your raw data is on. And I'm pretty sure this has to be none for it to work. You save it. And then in settings, you want Javel's Direct 1.6.1, 1.6.1 here, and you want Enrage. This is very important to make it work. Additionally, there are some ROM settings that you'll have to work with, but you can only apparently do them once the game is open. So let's open up Smash Bros. Alright, Smash Bros. So here, the settings will actually work for you now. You want to make sure the counter factor is 1. Now we'll get out of the game here. Then when you start netplay, you can set your name, set your connection setting, but everyone who's playing together has to have the same connection setting. You pick your server. If you're joining someone's game and you know the person, you can go to waiting games list. These are all the people who are currently holding games, waiting for people to join them. You can see the game names here. But if you want to host and have your friends or even random people join you, you can hop on a server. I usually pick the lowest ping. And then here I am in it. I can chat and stuff with the other people in the room. I'm actually the only one in the room now, so it doesn't matter. But to start your game, and additionally to join, you right click down here and you can pick your game. And then once you're in this mode, your game will show up in the waiting list, and when people hop on, you hit start, and then it should start for everyone, as long as they also have those settings as well as the same connection type. Nobody actually joined me, so this is actually just a solo game here. But yeah, that's valuable information I figured I should share, because there's not really a good tutorial out there to explain all this. So enjoy, have fun,